Just hanging out here watching these stocks do sorts of funny things, all sorts of funny things. Currently, one trade in and one trade down, unfortunately. And I will tell you why in just a second. Setting everything up here, making sure that the other thing is running as well. All right, so we're watching HUBC here. I was in on this thing and fell asleep. Yeah, fell asleep right about here. So could have been up. Ended up getting out right at 42. 42.69 was this support right here. It decided to go below that support, as you can see right there and right there. Dipped below it and then decided to run because, well, it's 4 o'clock. So 7:04 Eastern time. Currently watching not HUBC because I've got a little hurt in my heart from that one. But AIIO made some nice moves here. Go ahead and delete that. All right. So here's AIIO on a 30-minute chart. AIIO. These are lines from before. How is everybody? What's going on? How's everybody's weekend? Did you guys do anything memorable? Anything fun? Anything exciting with your families? Fuck you, HUBC, you son of a bitch. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning. Ah, what a turkey. All right, well, whoops. So let's see what happens. We're down $39 for the day so far. One trade. Look at that, and it's going to keep going because it's a turkey. Oh my God. Wow. It's unbelievable. TikTok got another restriction, so I ended the live and now I'm starting to back up again because it's just ridiculous. There we go. I'm back on. God. TikTok. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Lots of fun stuff. Looks like this is how the day's going to be so far. So far, the day is turning out to throw middle fingers at me. It's okay, though. I've got good coffee. I've got some good music. A little bit of Jack Johnson. We're all right. Let's try this again. So we're watching AIIO to see if it wants to move in the right direction. Oh. All right. Okay. And guys, hey, for you guys, I want to make sure you guys know. Oh man, damn it. Forgot to turn that on too. Sorry. There we go. Adds a little warmth to the background there. All right. All right. We'll get back into it here. Oh, look at HUBC go. Well, if it can break where it's at right now, currently this 52 cents, if it could break 52, it'll break 56. So I wanted to let you guys know that it being June 1st is when the subscription for the full access for everybody that's brand new went up to $100, $99.99. For those of you that are in it sooner, that are in it before, you guys are locked in at the $59.99 or anything below that. There you go, Night Owl. There's AIIO hitting that 392 that I told you it was going to hit. Boom. AIIO. Good call out there. I like that you questioned to see where it was going to go. So there we go. Hey, thanks, Daddy-O. Thanks for the feedback on the trap detector. Appreciate you. So yeah, let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Keep on searching. So now that AIIO has hit 393, 392, where's it going to go? Where can it go now? Oh, well, next to resistance area. Let's change this a little bit here. I don't mind some Otis, but let's go with something a little bit more. There we go. A little bit more oomph. I mean, I'd say 412 would be a pretty solid area there for AIIO to hit. That's a previous gap there. These are previous lines of support and resistance, trend lines. There we go. All right. Well, yeah, like I said, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Mostly the share, because TikTok's messing with me, or there's haters in this in the chat somewhere. Yeah, don't forget to share, because I'm trying to grow, and I guess we're not going to grow on TikTok because TikTok's kind of making it difficult. So it's funny because the stuff that I see on TikTok, it's amazing to me, the stuff I see on there, and the fact that it's still able to play and people are able to do the things that they do. It amazes me that I get flagged for really anything, because I really don't do anything. Now, what me crushing today? What are we crushing today? I don't know. Stacks, buddy. Stacks. We're crushing stacks. It's crush or be crushed, right? Yeah. Of the tag. I'm looking for something else to look at right now. There's a lot of different stocks, and I don't trust HEBC ever anymore. So it broke 52, so now it's gonna break 56. I'm completely out. Once I touch it and it screws me over, I'm done with it. Like, I'm done with this thing. Yup. It crushed my heart. It did. It crushed my soul. Made me cry. ANY. So this one here, look at this beautiful little pattern. So it pushed up, liquidity candles, ran to 369, then came down. You've got your little doji right here. This little guy right here, you call it a doji if you stretch it out. It looks more of like possibly a little bit of a hammer-ish candle, but more so a doji. And then the reversal, and boom, now it's above volume weighted average price. I'm being very gun shy, so you might not see me trade. You might see me trade, I don't know. after that little butt whipping there I got on HUBC. I'm kind of hesitant right now to jump into anything because, as you guys can hear, I'm a little frustrated with TikTok and the Soul Crusher coming soon to you. Brian, the Soul Crusher coming soon to you, to a theater near you. Well, let's see what we can get into. Soared pretty nicely today as well so far. SOAR. A pretty nice little move there. Man, why is it so hot? What the hell happened? Oh. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will try to find something good to play with here. Currently, I'm feeling a little lonely. Feeling a little lonely. Hey, thanks, Mitchell. Thanks for the hearts, man. Thanks for the goat. Appreciate it. LIQT. The way that special days. All right, look at that. There's your solid area of resistance right here. There is a solid area of resistance 239, so that's why it stopped there. Any gaps we can see? Oh, goodness. Sorry, I guess the catnap that cost me $39 didn't really pan out too well for me yet. Technically, this could be target 1 again, and then this one here could be target 2. This one could be 1 because there's a possibility it could reverse, come back to it. So there's 1, 2. And 3. So there's 3. This is an old target. Get rid of that. All right, let me take a look here. LIQT. What are we doing? Oh, we're gonna play. We're gonna play. There we go. Whoa, flipped the switch on me real quick. Look at that. That was a flip real quick. It's all right. This one's gonna be one of those little fire starters. Oh boy. Did I jump the gun on that? I saw it break volume weighted average price. It looked like it wanted to hold volume weighted average price and then just completely died on me there. Midlife crisis. Oh no. Who's having a midlife crisis? Man, I jumped the gun. I got excited. I thought that was gonna flip and just rip. Didn't flip. Didn't flip the right way, at least. We'll wait for it. Gets back above volume weighted average price. There's a chance. If it breaks down through 148, we'll take another loss. Currently, we're down $84 for the day with this $44 loss here. Man, oh man, oh man. Got to get back over volume weighted average price. Got to get back over this little yellow line here. Oh, not looking like it's going to look good for me there. Nope, not at all. Looks like it's coming all the way back down to that gap. It's going to fill that little gap, and it's going to be done for the day. Fuck me. Oh, boy. What did I say just before I got on this, too? Didn't I say that quite possibly I might just not trade until market opens, and then I jump in this little guy here at $2.06, because this looked like it was going to go. Keep coming down, down, down. Now I got myself in this stupid thing. Now I got to get myself out of this stupid thing. Oh. Well, that's nice. It's almost at its low. Okay. Yes, keep going the upwards direction, about 50 fucking cents. That'd be great. Horrible, horrible, horrible mistake there, J-Rock. And I got nothing. I got nothing here. I got resistance right here at 67 cents. Support right here at 121, which would cost me another $21. And I got nothing. Oh boy. Well, you know, let's take a look at something else here real quick. Even the music doesn't feel right. Oh, you know what? There we go. That was good. Beat it. Oh. Oh gosh. This is not how Monday's supposed to look for me, damn it. Yeah, it breaks that red line. I'm done. I'm out of it. That was a quick loss of $65 so far. This is the gap that it's going for, unfortunately. Yep, that's the gap. Right there. Yep, that's what it's going for, and I'm stuck in it like a chode. You little fucker. Damn it. Ah, that's annoying. Oh, that is annoying. All right, well, I made a mistake, so I gotta cut the mistake. I gotta cut the mistake. As frustrating as it is, I gotta cut it. It's not looking like it's gonna come back. It's looking like a little fake out, and then it's gonna come back down and do absolutely nothing. Come on. Yep, fuck you. I'm out. All right, I'm down 116 fucking dollars on this stupid piece of crap right here. So let's get that stupid thing off my screen. Let's look at something else. Obviously, you guys can tell I'm frustrated as hell right now because that was just a stupid fucking move on my part. God damn it. What's this? Any pushed up, cut back, reversed, and made a nice big W. So this thing's going to move up. Fucking ignorant mistake. Stupid fucker. Sweet. There's your first target, 342. Here's your second. Here's your third. And if it can break through this one, then it can go. And oops. And on this one, your support is $3, which is pretty much where you're at. You're at 304, 303. It breaks $3. It'll probably come back down to about 272. If it breaks $3, it'll probably come down here. That is your support. And that's it. Yeah. Yep. So let's see. Is it going to hold? Is it going to break? What's it doing? What do we have left to play with after that pathetic attempt to trade stocks? Suey, what are you talking about? What about PDT? Suey, what are you talking about? Why are you talking about PDT? Kids is moving again. Kids is dangerous. KIDZ 45, 46 cents right now. I love that I called AIIO hitting 392. Well, it hit 393 and reversed down to 320. I love it that I saw that, but then I got my dumb ass caught in a fucking LIQT fucking liquidation. Here's that piece of crap right here. LIQT liquidation. Kaboom. Look at that. I got in at up here like a FOMO mofo out of nowhere. Yeah, Mitchell. Watch this is doing great. Watch this is doing great today. It is. It's already got 1, 2, 3, 3 targets. Well, 3 tickers hit TP1. Two out of the 5 hit TP2. 3 out of the 5 hit TP1. We got 2 more to go. Man, I am sad that I got into this like an idiot. I'm trying to think, what the hell was I thinking? I need you guys to fucking tell me what you guys think. I'm curious what you guys think. What do you think I did wrong there? I know what I did wrong. What do you think I did wrong there? See, this is education, right? There you go, Fred Flintstone. That's what we'll call that. And look, am I glad I got out? Am I glad that I followed my rule there to get the fuck out if I fucked up? Yep, I sure am. I hit $1.01. That was FOMO. FOMO. Doug Funny. Agile expensive education? Huh? Not sure what that is. So now I've got $116 fucking deficit I got to make up for today. And I'm hot and I'm uncomfortable and I don't know why. It's freaking early. I'm irritated. Oh. But I mean, hey, this is all you guys need to see. You guys need to see the frustration because when you guys are paper trading, you don't get as frustrated. Yeah, sure, it might bother you a little bit, but you don't really get to feel the frustration of mother, like God, what the that fucking thing turned around. David, I got in HUBC. Yeah, so did I, but I fell asleep and and missed the boat. And it caught it on the downtrend, and then it decided to wake up. Yep, past my resist or past my support. And when I said, okay, well, I'm going to cut out here, it decided to run some more. Even the music is bothering me today. Can you believe that? Here, we'll play this one. I got to get out of it. I got to get out of this mood. I got to snap out of it. Let's see. Did my wife send me any girly pictures? I'm just kidding. Oh, man. Ooh, look at any with these fake outs. So here you got a nice hammer candle. Not a confirmation candle because you got a big top wick. You got this one here. Okay, it's getting a little better, but then it decides to crumble again, back down to volume weighted average price. Breaks the volume weighted average price. It's going to come back down to this little red line. Breaks this little red line, and she's coming all the way down to here. So technically $3. Yep, which she's playing around with right now. She could use it as a trampoline and jump on it, you know. What was that? GNTA, here we go. Let's go, baby. Go again. Go again. I called this run out. Alerted it on the Discord. Nice and early. Alerted GNTA on the Discord at 1:52 a.m. So that would be 4:52 Eastern time. Entry was 175. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. So 3 was 235, 250. And then on the social, on the Discord, I put out extended targets on GNTA, 275, 335. And look at that, hit 344. So that's pretty nice. Hopefully you guys caught that. And if you guys want into the Discord, for those of you that are on right now, I know it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but because the price went up for new members, went up to $99.99 for the month for watch list, Discord access, and basically all you're paying for is communication there. You can hit me up, ask me what I think the targets are going to be on a certain stock, and I'll give them to you. The website and all that stuff. But right now, if you're listening, you can still get a pretty decent deal there on the watch list and the Discord access. You can still get it for pretty low price there, because well, the pricing is $39.99 for the watch list only, $39.99 for the live trading. So if you get both of those, you're still getting it less than the full access, the $99.99. Or if you guys want to pay up for the year, you're definitely saving on that 50 at that $569.90 for the full year of Discord and watch list. I got to change the wording on that. That's different too. Because actually, that's what is that? What is that? Let's see here real quick. Let's do the quick math on that. Jeez, the music. Come on, man. What is going on here? That's better. Let's go with that. Um, yeah, GNTA, SOAR. Yeah, HBC faked me out. Decided to come back. I could have actually made money on it instead of losing. Buy orders not filling on what? Mitchell. Good job, Mr. Lonely, on any. Good job. Welcome to the jungle. Okay, it's watch this stock. I got you. Yeah, so right now, until I change the yearly full access, right now, if you were to subscribe for the whole year, and you'd be locked in at that. If you were to subscribe for the whole year, you'd be saving 52% for the year for new members. That's crazy. That's crazy. That would be basically $47.49 a month. $47.49 a month for the whole year. Can you believe that shit? $47.49 per month for the whole year. That's what that would be. So that would be a drastic change, but I didn't have time to change all the pricing I just had time to do one, so that's what we're gonna go with, unfortunately. I'm looking for something good, and so far any seems to be the one that seems to be popping up. There you go. There's any. What pattern is any doing? Well, any did this nice double bottom here, then it ripped, and then couldn't break through. There's some resistance right in this area right here. There's this zone of resistance here. So what I would do if you were watching this, if you were in this and you were trying to see like, hey, is it breaking down? Well, you can draw yourself a trend line. You can do something like this. You go from tip to tip. There you go, from tip to tip. Just draw yourself a trend line from tip to tip. When it breaks this trend line, just consider yourself out, right? Because that if it does cross this trend line, it crosses the volume weighted average price, which just that alone would tell you like, hey, all right, maybe I shouldn't watch this as much as I am, you know. I think any is starting to take off again. Well, we'll see if it can hold above volume weighted average price. Yes, but currently it's in a downtrend. Currently it's in a downtrend. If you were to draw yourself a line, you can do it from here to here to here to here, however you want to do it. It seems like it's respecting that right there. This is a 1 minute line. You can do that, or you could even play a little different. You could cross through these and you can draw yourself that line. And so when it breaks through this one here, you know it's good. But currently it's not looking so hot. It looks like that MACD wants to keep extending downward. Just my opinion. Your volume seems to be okay. That volume seems to be fine on a 1 minute. If you were to take this in a 5 minute, see what it looks like. Still looks choppy. 15 minute. Okay. Still looks okay. I say hold $3 and you're okay, but what do I know? What do I know, huh? I'm starting to feel a little better. I was definitely a little ticked off there. I was getting heated. First the stock, then TikTok messing with me. You know, then there's 37 of you in here. I mean, you know, with me putting in the time that I do every morning, like you would think that would be up from 38 to like at least 80 or 100. But I could be wrong. You know, the content might not be that good. The jokes might be horrible. But you know, at least you get to see the truth of trading. Don't break volume weighted average price. Could also be working on an inverted head and shoulder pattern as long as it holds volume weighted average price. If it breaks through, then nope. GNTA still having a problem with this. What is it? 286. Oh, look at that. 32 now. 31. Okay. Might as well not even do a live. Might as well just not do a live. That might be the next step. Why? Why do a live? What's the point? Come on, are you doing an inverted head and shoulder? What are you doing? So when it breaks this right here, possibility that it'll run up to this 363. If it breaks this yellow line, possibility is it's going to run to 263. And see, now your MACD is starting to try to curl back up. You see that? It's starting to build a little bit there. Let's see. I don't think it's got it, though. I don't think it's got it. Let's see what it does. ELMT building. ELMT is building some movement there. Soar, still soaring. Soar's doing well. There's the target on Soar, 69 cents on Soar. It's bigger floats, 27 million, but it's still not ginormous. Does Soar have some news? Why Taylor Mason home shares are trading higher? I don't understand why that would be on Soar. That's just stupid. So let me look here on Jrockstocks.com. Let's take a look at trap detector. Let's take a look at there. Here, this is what that looks like. You go to Jrockstocks, right? You go here. You go to trap detector and you type in SOAR and you hit enter. Oh, look at that. There is a lot of dilution active on this one. On SOAR. Oh my God, almost everything. Everything except for one, the S1 F1 registration background risk. That's the only one that says no. Everything else is high. Active trap, recent 4T4B3. That was April 13th. Underwritten offering language, April 13th. Security stock purchase agreement language, April 13th. All 4T4B3s. Yep, that is a lot of stuff there. On the 15th here, they've got a 10Q. You can open that and take a look at that. 13G as a grandfather investor. That's just basically a guy that says, hey, here's my money. Do with it what you want. Just make me money. I'll stay out of it, basically. That's what they're saying. So there you go. You got that. They've got an effect that was on the 4th, on the 10th. That's crazy. That's a lot of stuff there. Well, yeah, so this is jrockstocks.com. This is the beta version of this trap detector thing that I created. You also have a day trade analyzer here. You can type in SOAR. You can type in the price that it's at right now, 0.48. Hit enter. And it passed. It's a 99 out of 100. Okay, so this is how you use these two tools. Because this one will give you information as well, a 10Q, blah blah blah, bullish watch. Yes, it's reached right now. It's up. But you can read all this stuff. Here's where it thinks it's going to go. So it's at there you go. It's at 4.8. It thinks it could possibly go to 110. That's what it thinks it can go to, 110. But this is not guaranteed. This is all just, language. But there's a good chance. So there's that. You got that. You got the trap detector, the track record. Here's what the track record looks like. There you go. So these were alerts. We got 75% on the alerts hitting take profit 1 on the Discord. Here's where I'm at on Webull. There's the watch list accuracy, 63%. And here are the receipts for it right there. All right, there you go. And that's about that. That's jrockstocks.com. Here's the pricing. Like I said, right now, this is actually 52% less than what the monthly for VIP access would be. Right now, you can save by doing this and this separately. But yeah, anyways, that's a little trick there you guys have until I change that pricing. So anyways, there's jrockstocks.com. All right, let's see where we're at. We're at 50.56. It's at 49 right now. Moving nicely. We got 28 people in here. We got the Discord coming up here at 5 a.m. So I'll be jumping off the live here in about 11 minutes. There's 28 of you in here. I don't think 28 of you are going to miss me. So yeah, so that's where we'll leave that. I don't feel like listening to that one. Yeah, that's good. So let's see how SOAR does for the day. Hey, what's up, Cree? Good morning. Not a whole lot of people hitting share. So yeah, I think things are going to change. I don't know if it's because I'm in a crabby mood or what. That could be it. I might be in a crabby mood. But I think things are going to change. I think I'm trying way too hard for my community. I don't know. Everybody says that, you know, it's a family, it's a community and stuff, but I don't know. I'm starting to doubt some of the talk. And if it stops people from joining the community, that's fine too. I'll have a nice tight group. That's fine too. We're okay. Nice tight group is probably the best way to go. I just want more eyeballs out there. That's it. More eyeballs, more people calling out different tickers, you know, that kind of stuff. I'm already busy answering questions, so I don't really need more people asking me questions, but that'd be pretty cool. More eyeballs out there. So, oh man, oh, it's June 1st. Man, oh man. Whoopsies. Push my computer a little too far back. Got the little. All right. There's any. Rocking and rolling. There you go. We're almost up to take profit 3. We got 1. We got 2. We're almost at take profit 3 at that 411, which is technically $4.12. Come on, baby. Let's see another one hit some targets. Ugh. Come on, baby. There's 4. Just a little bit more. There it is. There's 416. All targets hit on ANY. Hope you guys made some money on that one. There you go. ANY 417. Next targets on ANY. Ooh-wee. That was a good one. Wish I was in that one, but I decided to get in a different one and a different one, and then, yeah, didn't work out. There we go. All right, let's see. So 430. All right, 430 breaks 430. Where is it gonna go? There we go. All right, so breaks 430. You got some solid resistance right about here. There you go. She's all lined out for you. All right, don't say I don't give you nothing. Ah. All right, look at that pretty pattern. Double bottom, moved up, bounced here, came up, bounced here off of, look at that. This is support right here. Bounced off of support right here, tried, came back down to volume weighted average price, held volume weighted average price, and then decided to turn right around. Beautifully done there. And look at that. It almost got that last target. Well, not last target. We got one more after that, but almost got it. Got 435. We're at 443 there. All right. And if you guys want to go on over to the Discord, yo, thank you, Roger. What's up, Roger? How you doing, buddy? I'm just letting time go by now because, I'm gonna get on over to the Discord here in a minute. What's up, man? Yeah, you make that money, man. You make that money. Let's go. All right. If you guys want access to the Discord where I will be given more targets and things like that, then you got to go over to jrockstocks.com right over here. Go there and yeah. And TikTok can go ahead and throw up whatever it wants. But that's where I'm going to be at 5 o'clock. I'm going to be doing the live on there. So if you guys are interested, come on over. Sign up for the Discord, full access, watch list, whatever. And, come party with us. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to cut out 3 minutes early. So I'll see you guys over on the Discord. Peace out. Ah, yes. TikTok, you suck balls. All right, there you go. Had to rip TikTok a new one. All right, thanks for hanging out, YouTube. I'll see you guys over on the Discord. Peace. Thanks for hanging out.